Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to post a picture in Padlet. So normally a lot of people use Padlet just for posting text and typing in a text box. So if you saw there, I had the little plus sign, so you click on that, it'll come up with this. So you could give it a title. So you could say Piggy, one of our characters from Lord of the Flies. You could say he is a character who acts more like an adult than a child. He leads the group and tries to be a great influence. Okay, so say you just did that, you put your character and you have, your two sentences there, but you want to add a little bit more. You want a picture of what Piggy would look like, or you want your students to put in a picture of what Piggy would look like. So you would click on this right here, so you can do a Google search. So you click on that. So you can see there's GIFs that come up. You can go to videos. You can also go to images. So I have a picture of Piggy, obviously we want to clarify, in the Lord of the Flies. So then you can see a bunch of pictures come up. You can have your students pick whichever one that they would want to use. Obviously, though, you would want to remind them that they would want to cite the source that they got it from, unless they get it from the Creative Commons. So if we click on this one of Piggy, it'll show that it's loading. And then your picture will come right up. So then you have a post with a picture of your character and your description of him at the top. So this would be a great way. If you can see here, I named this one the Lord of the Flies characterization. So if you wanted them to do direct characterization and indirect characterization, maybe a combination of both, it gives it a little bit more. It requires them to do a little bit more. And then it's also nice sometimes to have the picture that goes along with the description. So that is how you easily add in pictures from Google.